Remember that
Today, we're lighting fireworks off like 10 days after the 4th. Oh, I didn't expect it to do that.
Like, hold it on the ground, I'll jump over it.
Yeah, do it.
Grab a stick.
Okay, wait. It's like a flare. Ooh. It scared me. Ah. I got one too. Okay, watch out. I feel like Sam Farr with the force from Night of the Zombie.
You're right, squirmy future creeps. Come on, come and get it. Maybe you lost your appetite. Maybe you're not going to get your supper tonight, huh?
Yeah.
With a wing.
A wing.
Yeah. Like Xanthora.
Yeah. This would definitely attract zombies.
Yeah. Oh, that's gone.
We spread real happy.
Yeah, do it. Zeb, film it.
Ready?
Oh, my turn. Ready?
Watch out, you.
Here, Dad, watch out. I didn't want to do it too far.
I was just breathing it in.
Oh yeah, me
Let me
too.
jump over you. A little lower.
I can't jump as high as I used to.
There you go. I did lower.
Yeah. Dun. Here, let me get one. Yeah.
Oh, we gotta be careful. Just get in our eyes. Don't breathe it in, back in.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's what I was thinking of that.
Wasn't it puking?
Yeah. Like, throw it up. Well, that's some serious heat right there, man.
Alright. Time to light this off? No, I'm kidding.
Here we go,
Here, let me move
folks.
this. Oh. No. Is that it?
No way.
Oh, there we go.
It might get higher.
Do it. Good.
I'm gonna wait till it's more high.
No, you're gonna burn alive.
Honestly, you're lucky you didn't run
Yeah.
through. Little Red Devil.
Little Red Devil, in case you're wondering what that was called. Okay, the wind is heavy tonight. Nah, don't do it.
I don't think it's that far back.
Nah, yeah, that's right. Here's Zep, come in. Oh, it's gonna.
This is what it starts.
Yeah. That's a bit different.
Yeah, I like that. A little different.
Don't tell me.
It's not over.
Oh, look. Look. Okay, that was good. That was like a 7.
Great, but you know what was crazy? No cars were actually coming
Oh
by
yeah.
during that whole thing.
Look at that. No one here. Oh, that's cool. Come on, focus, you phone. We're lucky that Zep didn't burn his finger like he did that one year. Remember, you got that blister?
Oh, it was really bad.
That was bad, man.
Was it 2020?
That was 2021.
Wait, you noticed I didn't light anything.
Yeah.
Water bug.
Something like,
Cockroach. I think it's a cockroach.
You think it's a cockroach?
Probably.
Do you have them in your house?
I've never seen one in there. Yeah, the only thing I've ever
Do
seen
they
in there.
come around spray?